Hey, what's up user, welcome back into tutorial. Do you want to add an extra layer of privacy to your WhatsApp chat? Well, today I am going to show you how to lock your WhatsApp chats. As you know that WhatsApp allows you to lock your chats with a password or a fingerprint for keeping your conversation safe from others. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now select that chat which you want to lock, so long press on that. Now you can see the at the top right corner three dot option, tap on that. Inside that you can see the lock chat, so tap on that. After confirm this, tap on continue. Now select your type of lock. I select as fingerprint, so I will select that. Now tap on OK. Now in this way you can lock the chart, so you can see here. After you can text messages and all here. Inside that, if you want to unlock it, follow the same process. Again tap on three dot option, unlock chart. Now in this way you can unlock this chart. Now you can see it came in your main chart. So in this way you can lock the chart.